Welcome back to my channel. I have tried to record this video for beginners from the first stage you sign up, but TradingView is not being nice to me. So I'm sorry, I have to use the signed in version to teach you how to use a TradingView. So I'm first apologizing before I start the class. I'm so sorry again. So firstly, this icon here is to show that I've logged into my account. It will show you a sign in here or sign up under here, which you will sign up or you can sign out. It's all based on your choice. Here we have your name will be on top here. It will show in your profile setting, account and billing. In case you want to pay for back testing on your trading view, you can pay, set your profile the way you want it. It's all depend on your choice. You can also open, well, we'll get back to that section. I'm going to start slowly going from the left hand side down to the right hand side, then we'll come to the toolbar. After this section, you have here your symbol search. That's the currency pair that you would like to trade. You tap on it here, and what do you see? Currency pair. I pick GBP USD, but these are the short form, or I'll use the abbreviation words for it. Then in the middle, we have the full name, which I have explained to my students that it will not really be like this, but they should learn the short form GPJPY. Here is called British Pounds Japanese Yuan at this center here, the name of the pair. And on the right hand side, extreme right hand side, you see the broker. There are different types of broker on TradingView: Oanda, FXCM, Forex.com, Capital.com, Pepperstone, IC Markets, 8 Cap, Vantage or Vintage, anyone being pronounced the way you want to be pronounced. But these are the types of brokers that are being used. On top here, we have stocks, we have funds, we have futures, we have forex, we have crypto, indices, bonds, economy, and options. Now, these are what these are what can be traded, right? But normally, I do focus on more on forex trading. But some people do trade stocks, some people trade futures, some people trade crypto. It all depends on what you trade. But this is what they call symbol search. On this icon plus sign, I will see compare plus add symbol. I don't really use it, but some traders do use it. So I can't really say much about that section. On this arrow down here, if you tap on this arrow, you will see your time frame from ticks up here to 1 seconds, 1 minute, hours, days. Days is from 1 day to 12 months. That's 1 year. Now, for it to appear on your chart the way mine is appear, what I did was I put in the star, add to favorite. Can you see my screen? And I tapped on it and it sticks on my screen like this. I can also add customize interval, put in the time frame I want on my screen that I cannot see here. I type in the words here and it also appears here for the time frame that I'm creating for myself. On this section here, you see it candles. When you tap on it, you see bar chart candles. As traders, we use more of the candles, not bar charts or halo candles or volume candles, but candles. The next one is indicators. If you tap in here, whatever you star is what will appear on as your favorite indicator. But these are indicators that I've once used and I star them in case I need them in the future. Indicators are here. Look for the one that you want. You can tap here, look for volume, tap in the names that you want, all your choice. This section here is the names of the owners of the indicators that are being created here. That's was uploaded here for you to use. Their names are here. And what do I have here? I have the likes of those that have liked the indicator, liked them because of they are working effectively well. So it's showing us that breaker blocks with signals locks algo 93.5k likes. Then if you tap here, read more about the indicator, you can tap in here and all the history about the indicator will come out on your screen. The next section is indicator template. Indicator template in the sense whereby when you setting an indicator on your chart, you just put in, save it and create a name. You can put in ABC chart or indicator, whatever on your own. It all depends on your personal preference on how you want to label that indicator. But many traders don't really use it, some traders do use it. But you can just put that indicator, then tap on save, then you can see, put in the name that you want, and when you come back in the future, just tap on the arrow, tap on it, and it will show, everything will come down for the template you have created. And when you tap on that template, it appears fully on your screen. Alarm. Alarm is used for mostly those that are very busy or they have done their analysis on the chart. Alarm can be used whereby you tell yourself, okay, I'm putting my line, my alarm at 190.500 for GPJPY. If price gets that place, the alarm make noise, make noise. You can use your phone, you can use your email address to beep you. Let me see and see if I can show you one. You can see, put in the symbol, put in price. You can see it here. If price goes up, if price goes down, it just alerts you. Do you want your trigger? Put in the value, the number, the price, where price gets to. Put it here, and to alert you when you get there. Do you want it to be making noise once, or do you want to make it noise every time? Every time price gets that zone, you hear your choice. Add the name that it will pop out on your email or on your screen, or the app on your laptop or on your mobile phone, and it will alert you like that. We have what we call replay. Replay is for those that want to back test. You can see now I can do a replay on my chart. See how it is, and I can delete it. Okay, let me use 1 day time frame, and I can delete it. Can you see? Can you see? I can delete the past, and what happened, I can press play to play it, just to see if my analysis is correct or if my analysis is wrong based on my back testing. You're with me, right? Then what if I change my mind and I put a line here and I'm like, oh my god, I shouldn't have put all these charts here. I made a mistake. You can come in here and just do back. Do you see it's gone? If I want to place it back, forward. Do you see that, right? If I want to delete this all, I can tap on my right screen of my mouse and go to remove drawings. Can you see it here? And I delete the drawings out of my screen. On this box here, if I tap on it here, what do I see? I see one screen. But I can make my screen two. I can make my screen either halfway or up and down. I can make it in 3 columns, number 3 or number 4. But to use this 2 to 16, it has to be paid. It's not free of charge. You have to pay for it. You can come in here and create a name for your chart. Open different chart columns and create names as layout for you. So in case you are back testing in one of the charts, you can tell yourself, oh, I want to use this. I'm unique in trading to back test, and unique me charts to trade my normal analysis. Quick search. I haven't really used it before, so I can't really say much about it. For my setting on my chart, I can tap on setting, come in here, tap on symbols, setting my body of my candle, the border, the wicks, tap in here the canva. Do I want my background black or white? I like white. That's why I'm using white for mine. How do I want my chart to be? Do I want to use water loop? All these things still boils down to me. Water loop, I can come in here and edit it. Let me see the water loop. This looks beautiful, but I don't really need it. So I'm going to remove it peacefully, beautifully well. Then what do I have here? I have full screen mode. This how full screen mode looks like. The whole chart is full on my whole screen for my analysis, for me to be able to see a broader picture of how the chart is going to look like, and I can return it back to normal. I have take a snapshot. I tap on it and I see download image, copy image. Depends on me. Do I want to download my chart image, what I've analyzed? Do I want to copy the image? Do I want to copy the link and post it somewhere? Do I want to open a new tab? It all depends on me. But this is how you take a screenshot of the image that you have on your chart. Then you have publish here for those that trade or chart on TradingView. Now I have here this icon here. If I tap on this first one, it will show me the currency pairs which I want to add here. I can use my plus sign to add my currency pair, which I showed you from up here. GP USD, AUD USD, gold, you know. Then what is here is what we call broker. You can add with the plot sign, you can delete with the plot sign. add the plot sign, delete the plot sign. Add with the plot sign is going to appear here on your screen. Delete with the plot sign is going to disappear from your screen. Then here I have my alarm, which I showed you. If in case you set an alarm on your chart, all the records are going to be here. Then for this icon, object tree, I haven't used it. For those that chat on TradingView, you can see I got gold like this. You see, those people are chatting on TradingView. You can decide to join them to chat, to drop your own idea on how you see the chat. Just come in here, you can drag this and you can watch their chats. Those that are contributing to their ideas. UJ, my best horse. Monday gonna rip some on this on this and stuff like that. Just watching traders chats and give their opinions about the market. It all depends on you also. Create your own account and just watch them chat and give their view on the market. Then what do I have here? On this left hand side here, I have price of market. I have the price of the market, and below here is time, the time and the date of the market. Today is 2025 February. And what do I have here? 7th of February. Can you see this is time and this is price? You can tap in again here, tap here, and that will go away. So we're done with this section and this section. I'll come here now to the tools. If I tap on this arrow here, I can put in what I want here on my chart. But here, I tapped on this line and I'm using the trend line. For it to appear on my chart, I will tap on favorite. Now what will happen is going to appear like this on your screen. When you tap on favorite, you tap on trend line, favorite. See, it has gone out. Can you see? And watch now, I'm going to add it back. Can you see it's back on my screen? Horizontal line, I favorite it and I returned it back to where my screen. Favorite, add it, tap on favorite. So all these apps they are going to need. The most important one you need, I would say, is what? Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement tells you when to buy low and when to sell high in the market. Add it to your chart. The next one you go for is your long position and short position. Star, you add to the favorite. Can you see add to favorite? Add your short position to favorite. Tap on it. The next one you're going to look at your screen is your highlighter and your arrow, which I use very well. You can highlight this. It depends on what you want to highlight. I'm not telling you what to do, but it depends on which you like. You can just highlight. Your job is just to highlight them. What you might need them in the future. Just keep highlighting them. Okay, you delete this. When you put it something on your screen, this icon stuff will appear. Just tap on delete. Then you can see here emojis, I, dollar sign, whatever you want. Add it on your screen. Then I have my ruler here. I want to know how many pips or how many days this trade move from here to here. I'll put my ruler from here to here. And what do I see? This trade ran for 45 days. Can you see? This trade ran from here to here 45 days. This same ruler, I can use it to measure from here to here. How many pips did this trade move? And it's telling me that this trade moved 776 pips. Can you see it? That's what that ruler is being used for. Then what is this one used for? It's used for zoom. Can you see? Zooming my chart and I'm zoomed back out. Do you see that? That's what this zoom is for. The magnet is just to fix in your drawing so that it doesn't shake or shake in price. The exact price you put it in, that's what you want to see on your chart. Lock in, stay in drawing mode. It's just lock your drawing for you. Lock all drawings. When you practice this, just lock your drawings for you on how you analyze the chart. Then add this eye icon and opening eye is when you draw or have any drawing on your chart. Example, you put this line now, then you put a line here and you want to off it without deleting. You just tap on the eye button. If you want to bring it back, tap on the eye button, everything will come back. Right click and remove. Then the same way I right clicked, I can come in here, tap on this dustbin sign and remove all drawing. Coming into the chart, on top of here, you will see the British Japanese yuan. My time frame I'm on is on 1 day. FXCM. What do I have here? I favorite it. That's what is showing me here. The broker, the day, the currency pair. Now these signs are very very important. An example, when I'm on this candle now, or this particular candle, watch as I'm moving all these things, they're all, the values are changing. What does this mean? O means opening price of the candle, high means high of the candle, L means low of the candle, C means closing of the candle. Like now, this particular candle, opening of the candle is 188.2388. High of the candle is 189.568. Low of the candle is 187.035. Close of the candle is 187.742. Can you see that? That is how we use that section. Then here is the ask and the bid price. You understand what ask and the bid price is, which will give you the spread of the market. For those that want to trade on TradingView, can use this effectively well for the spread in the market. Then this section is for the indicators that you being used. You can come in here and open the eye and everything comes out, and you can also what, delete the indicator if you don't need it on your chart, and put the arrow back up. Okay, then what again do I need to show you? Below on your screen also, if you look down on the screen of your screen, you will see a timer counting down, time zone. Tap on it and you will see time frames here. Normally I use the New York session time based on the strategies that I use on the chart, but you can come in here, put London time. There's also Lagos. If for those in Nigeria, can use Lagos. For those in London, using London time, use London. For those in Toronto, New York, all the any time frame you're looking for, you can find it here, and to set your chart exactly to that time frame. So I hope this small explanation I just gave will help you understand how TradingView work, and you can set yours to your preference. Thank you very much. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.